If today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it on your device. So before we dive into the video, let's do these settings. Right, so you have to turn off your data, as you can see here, and then turn on airplane mode. Right, from there you head to settings. Here, right, and you go to the section that will have the time and date. The device, I have it right, and then you click on time and date here. So here, if on some devices, when you come to the section, you see that the set date and the set time is not clickable. Right, so if it is not clickable, you click on use network provider time here, and then put it off like this. Right, so here, let's go ahead and then set the time to 12 o'clock AM. Right, so click on 12 o'clock here, and then set to 12 o'clock AM. Right, then click on OK. So from here, you can let your airplane mode switch on for some time, or you can restart your phone. Right, so let me see something here. So because I have my airplane mode